Hi y'all, how are you doing? So I already did a video, but it was too long and I can't get it to upload. So I'm just gonna do a quick video of the flip through. Lene wanted to see a flip through, so I'm gonna show this to you. I almost finished with it. There's probably a few little things that I'm gonna do. I have all this paper, look at all this paper. And I'll probably wrap it with sari. I don't know. I'm gonna wrap it with sari and see if I like the way that it looks, because it feels really good in your hands. It is like 4.5 by 8 and 2 signatures, and this is available. So let's take a look here. I have a lace pocket here with a tag. I have avocado dyed paper that I did myself. Here's the French paper. There's another pocket with a tag with the avocado. Oh, and this tag has a pocket. Oh, please excuse the dog. I hope she's not too loud for you. Lady, no. Get down. She'll listen for a second and then start up again. So we got that. Got a piece of avocado paper there and a little label. I love the center. I'm gonna cut these. I had them long, but I think I decided I'm gonna cut those so that they stay inside. Can't tie them in a bow because it's too thick and with a bow. So I have it in a knot. It's very pretty. Isn't that pretty? Looks like my bird's on crooked. Look at that little picture. That's the shorthand paper. Pretty roses. Here's another pocket. Avocado paper on the back. Yeah, I got a bunch of avocados boiling away right now. Here's a little writing spot. Oh, here's a pocket. I need to remember that. Let me stick that there so I don't forget. Make a tag for it. And then you flip it. And I put that pretty picture there. But, oh, got another pocket. But I did a lot of work and my video was too long and I can't get it to upload. But we chatted. I had a wonderful day yesterday. My best friend came to visit me and she's my second mama. Look at that centerfold, isn't that beautiful? She calls me her southern daughter. She's from Connecticut originally. Has been here like 20 years. Isn't that pretty? We did that together. She brought me a beautiful prayer shawl. Oh, there's another pocket. My goodness. A beautiful prayer shawl. In a violet color that she got from her church. It's crocheted. And it's just gorgeous. So there you go. I got Holly texting me that she wants to come home from school. She doesn't feel good. So I don't think I'm gonna do any play with you because I just did a long play with you and Holly keeps texting me. But I will put tags in those spots and I will cut these and I will check to see if I like the sari being wrapped around it. And if so, I'll wrap sari around it. Okay? So that is it, guys. Here's the front again. Very pretty. I love the chiffon bows. I'm gonna dye a lot of the chiffon and that avocado dye. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the flip through, and I will see you next time. Oh, and my email, I have a couple things to tell you. My email's down below if you're interested. And then my friend Kim Newburg is trying to reach 1,500 subscribers. She's almost there. She's gonna do a giveaway that ends September 30th, my birthday. And I am going to link her down below so that you can go over and check out her giveaway video and all of her videos and show her some love, and leave a comment and tell her that I sent you. That is part of the giveaway, and you'll see that if you watch the video. And I think that's it. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.